Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of consequently. This is the result. For example, flexible workers find themselves in great demand, and consequently earn high salaries. American pronunciation. Consequently. Consequently. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Consequently. Say. Consequently. Consequently means, as result. Consequently. Consequently. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. We are more individualized than ever before, and consequently less social. Now, repeat after me. We are more individualized than ever before, and consequently less social. The second practice. In a lawless and consequently weak state, man is defenseless and unfree. Now, repeat after me. In a lawless and consequently weak state, man is defenseless and unfree.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.